this sucks, the big one. How the hell are we supposed to get back to Hoppy Land?
I don't know.
They're all freaking out. Stop or you'll drown, man! We are, right now, we can't get back to Hoppy Land. We're screwed. Jared's getting wet. That's what we're looking at right there. This is Dibble Run Road. I don't think we can get across that. And Jared's going to do his little rain dance.
There's a river in the woods.
Oh my God, look at that. The Dew Shore, baby. Laughing.
I don't know. There's a river in the road. There's a river through the field of the following fields. Foul ball! There's a river in the baseball field. I don't think we're gonna make it anywhere.
Gosh. Looks like it's blocked up there.
There's a basketball and tennis court over there. There's a river in the basketball and tennis court.